Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make guacamole. First, gather your ingredients: ripe avocados, fresh lime, a red onion, cilantro, and a jalapeno. You'll also need some salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion, from a quick snack to a party appetizer. To begin, select 3 ripe avocados. Slice each one in half, carefully removing the large pit. Use a spoon to scoop out the vibrant green flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. This is the foundation of your delicious dip. Ensure all the creamy goodness is transferred, leaving the skin behind. Now, gently mash the avocado with a fork, leaving some chunks for texture if you like. Next, finely dice about 1/4 of a small red onion and 1 jalapeno, removing the seeds for less heat. Add these to the bowl along with 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro and the juice of 1 lime. Mix everything thoroughly, then season with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Your homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or alongside tacos and burritos. If you have any leftovers, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent browning, then store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For more great kitchen finds and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.